Okay, Tailors Tacks. So these are used to mark fabric. When you transfer them over from your pattern piece of paper, you mark them with a tailor's tack. For today, I'm just showing you how you do it. So there's a little round dot, and on your pattern piece, it will look very, very similar. So what you need to do first is you need to have a contrasting thread. So I actually want you to have a very, very different colour to your actual fabric. Hence, I've chosen black against the orange. I want you to have your thread double, okay? I don't want a knot at the end, so no knots, but I want the thread double. And do yourself a long piece of thread because you're going to do more than one generally at a time. So you put your needle in one side of the dot, you come back up the other side of the dot. Pull it through until you leave a tail. Okay? Doesn't matter how long your tail is. You don't want to be going too short because you're likely to lose it. So pull it out so it's about so long. Get your needle and come back in. So back in, it doesn't have to be the same hole, but pretty much near where you went in the first time. And come out again the other side of the dot. When I do this, I again keep my finger on the tail so that it doesn't get caught up or doesn't get too short. Keep my finger and I pull it through. This time, again, don't pull it all the way through. You want to leave a loop, okay? And then cut it off. So you end up with a loop and two tails. Once you've finished all of your tailor's tacks on everything, you need to separate them because you want to make the tailor's tack mark on this side, but you also want to make it on this side. And we want to have two separate pieces of fabric. So you pull this part very, very gently until that loop is now level with the edge of your fabric. Then here, you just cut down the middle and you end up with tailor's tacks marks on both sides of the fabric.